According to leading experts, graphic designing is one of the most sought-after money-making home businesses. And why not? As per Wikipedia, graphic design is a process of both visual communication and problem solving. Since problem solving is a major issue on the web, graphic design will remain a popular mode of earning for professionals. Hi, I am Partha Bhattacharya from HubSkills, and in this video I'm gonna show you 3 easy techniques to do graphic designing with PowerPoint. They are taking screenshots, grouping 2 images with text, and highlighting any part of an image. Let's get going. First, we will take screenshot. To do this, go to Insert tab on Main menu. From there, click on Screenshot and then Screen Clipping. The window immediately beneath PowerPoint comes to view. And now you can drag the mouse cursor to select the portion of the screen you want to take the image off. The moment you release the cursor, PowerPoint takes the image and brings it on the slide. PowerPoint also gives you a slew of design ideas on the right pane. This is very helpful. We will use this feature soon. For now, let me type in the words. Are you ready? This I will need later, so let me shove it to one side. Drawing a shape is super easy in PowerPoint. Let's draw a rectangle on the work area. I will adjust the opacity of the rectangle, and doing so reveals the screenshot image below it. This is a popular graphic design technique where you can place large-sized text on an image which is darkened with an overlay. Okay, let's move on to our next technique. Before that, let me remove the rectangle shape because we don't need it now. I will take a screenshot image now. Remember, I must have the window already open beneath PowerPoint. So here is the second screenshot. This is an abstract image. And the moment I have this image on my slide, PowerPoint immediately offers design ideas that involve 2 images and the text. Are you ready? Each of these designs looks good, and you get them automatically from PowerPoint. This is a great help. Professional graphic design with minimum effort. You must try this with 2 or more images and texts and just see how PowerPoint combines them for you. Okay, the third technique now. This is highlighting any part of an image. The overlay color can be anything, and the opacity too can be any amount. You can even have borders or no borders, it's your choice. To know how to do this, go to my blog post, URL given below. The highlighting is especially useful for problem-solving slides, which anyone from teachers to marketers to salespeople can use. The other advantage is that the shape of the highlight could be anything: an oval, a circle, rectangle, arrows, bubbles, anything that PowerPoint offers. So go ahead, click the link below to learn how to do highlighting in PowerPoint. That's all for now. Thanks for watching.